Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today I'm so excited. I would do my February reset, and I'm going to be doing these videos at the beginning of every month because, like I said, I really like filming these. So I have my list already done of things I want to get done today. And if you're not already, subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. That would help my channel out a lot if you would subscribe and like today's video. So the first step on the list is laundry. So I'm gonna get some laundry done. I have 3 loads that I'm gonna do. Okay, so that's done. I am going to not cross it off, but I'm just going to... Now I think we can put away the dishes. Okay, so we just finished, cleaning the dishes. Now I'm gonna sweep and mop floors, I think. Or actually I'm gonna vacuum and just hand wipe the floors, I think. Okay, so I haven't done this in a long time. I'm going to go through my hair products to see if there's anything that I don't use anymore and stuff that is not so great for my thin hair. This is all my current hair products, and I'm going to try to put them all into this container. So I'm going to first go through what I have, what I'm probably going to get rid of. So this Rio conditioner or hair mask I love, so I'm actually going to keep this one. This hair mask, leave-in conditioner, I do not like, and it's probably only used it once, so I'm gonna get rid of it. I like the Bubble and Bubble thickening spray a lot more, so I'm gonna keep this one, get rid of the Kristen S one, and the same thing with this blowout mist. This mousse is a stronghold mousse, so I am going to keep this one. Definitely keeping that. I like a light hold mousse sometimes, keeping that one. There's the other hairspray. I'm gonna get rid of the Gatsby Glue and keep the Dry Bar one, I guess, hairspray. And this is a finishing spray, and this is a heat protectant. I'm gonna keep the heat protectant and all of this actually. I think everything else I'm keeping. I'm only getting rid of 4 things. Keeping the Sun In hair cleaner, keeping this leave-in conditioner, Olaplex hair oil, this dry shampoo, and this texturizing spray. Hopefully I can fit everything. I'm not sure if I can. Okay, so we let's see, where is it? Organized hair products. Okay, now we can pick up stuff around my room. Okay, we pretty much have everything done that I wanted to get done, but I'm going to go onto my computer and on my Notion just to kind of do my monthly reset on my computer. So that means like goal planning for this month. That's planning out my workouts for the week, planning out my meals for the month, or for the week actually, and planning out the videos for this week. Okay, all my workouts are ready for the week. Now I'm going to start meal planning. I totally forgot that I actually did plan out my videos for this week and a little bit for this month, so that was it for my February reset. I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you guys in the next one. Bye!